Assalamualaikum friends, here is Collage Photo Effect Photoshop Action. These are Photoshop CC and CS Plus version. Okay, these are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now for lifetime all password in this app and daily update when I upload any new data. Okay, and follow my page on Facebook Sheri SK. I will provide every video here like a Facebook, like a YouTube channel. Last is my Telegram channel Sheri SK official. Join this. I will provide every link of video first here. I know you know how to use Photoshop Action. Okay, double click here and open new photo like this one and press Alt F9 now. So I have already entered. Now delete it. Okay, extract, play me, just play. Okay, Control Shift L and now play it. Just wait. Depend on your computer speed. Wow. Okay, here is you see in later area adjustment. Okay, and next is 10 color option. Wow. Main file is here. Okay, background, depend your own choice, you can change it. I hope this action is useful for you. Subscribe me and follow this Facebook page. Here is my application on Play Store. Last is Telegram channel Sheri SK official. Take care, love,